Tired of scrolling through setup documentation and watching hour-long tutorials just to figure out how to run your own Ethereum RPC node? Between choosing the right client, sizing storage correctly, and setting up the tools you need to monitor performance and keep your node reliable, the whole process can get complicated fast. Welcome to Chainstack Self-Hosted, the easiest way to run reliable blockchain nodes on infrastructure you control. With a single control plane and built-in self-healing observability and automation, it makes deployment and operation simple from day one. In this video, I'll show you how to deploy an Ethereum node in just a few clicks, using one of our trusted cloud providers with pre-installed Chainstack Self-Hosted software available through its marketplace. Getting started with HostKey is simple. Just choose the Chainstack app from the marketplace and click Deploy an app. You'll see the most suitable VPS option already pre-selected for running Chainstack Self-Hosted, so all you need to do is complete the checkout. Once your VPS is provisioned, open the Chainstack Self-Hosted web interface and sign in using the password created during installation. Running your first node is just as easy. Click Add Node, choose Ethereum, and then select the network you want to run. In this example, I'll choose Hoodie. From there, move on to the next step and select your preferred configuration. Chainstack Self-Hosted includes curated configurations for each network designed to give you a reliable node setup without overspending on hardware. In our case, there's only one available configuration, so I'll select it right away. If you want more control, you can always choose a custom configuration and fine-tune each parameter to match your needs. Another highly recommended feature is node snapshots. Chainstack provides access to a curated snapshot archive that can significantly reduce sync time and get your node ready much faster after deployment. You can also continue without a snapshot or provide a public snapshot link if you want to use your own source. Once everything looks right, we can review the setup and continue to the summary page. On this screen, we can review everything we configured in the previous steps and go back if we need to make any changes. In this case, everything looks good, so we're ready to start deploying our self-hosted Ethereum node. Now we're on the node dashboard and the deployment process has started. From here, we can track progress in real time and watch the snapshot being downloaded and extracted. As soon as that process is complete, the node deployment will finish and the HTTP and WebSocket endpoints will appear on the same screen. And that's it. That's how easy it is to deploy a reliable Ethereum RPC node with Chainstack Self-Hosted. Visit our website and subscribe to the channel for the latest blockchain infrastructure updates. See you next time.